Garbage is a senior problem in Sri Lanka as well as many other countries. Is garbage really a problem? Can't we use it as a garbage resource? Let's find out. Garbage with rapid urbanization, there is a large gathering. They are usually released into the environment informally. Collecting them into uninhabited areas creates garbage dumps. As garbage dumps get bigger, methane gas built up them to causing them to explode. Similar incidents have been reported in some countries. Meethotamulla landfill eruption in 2017 claimed nearly 40 lives. Human lives as well as major property damage occurred. In addition, dengue is transmitted through improper dumping of garbage. 186,000 dengue patients are reported in Sri Lanka every year. 44 of them die. Solid waste management is urgent need to avoid this situation. Garbage recycling is done by solid waste management centers in Sri Lanka. They are active at the municipal council and provincial level. Garbage will be collected through the tractors waste in urban areas. Garbage are being separated as a plastic, polythene, glass, tin, etc. Plastic usually take about 1,000 years to decompose. Also, polythene takes about 10 or 20 years to decompose, and plastic bottles take 450 years to decompose. So, the environmental damage caused by our release of these into the environment is enormous. As solution to this, garbage can be recycled.
නගරේ සීමාවේ තියෙන සියලුම ද්‍රව්‍ය අපි වෙත ලැබෙනවා. අපි ඒවා කළමනාකරණය කරගෙන පෙට් බෝතල් වෙනම, ටින් වෙනම, කාඩ්බෝඩ් වෙනම, පොලිතින් වෙනම, ප්ලාස්ටික් වෙනම, පෝල් කටු වෙනම ඒවා හැම දෙයක්ම වෙනම වෙනම තෝරගෙන ඊට පස්සේ දිරණ අපද්‍රව්‍ය සියල්ලම මෙතෙන්ට පාගන්නේ. තව එක් කරගන්න අපි වැව් ගොඩ වෙන ඒ වැව් වල තියෙන ජපන් ජපර සියල්ලම එකතු කරගෙන ඒවත් ක්‍රමානුකූලව මෙතෙන්ට බාගෙන ට්‍රැක්ටර් මාර්ගය ඒ සියල්ලම පොහොර බවට පත් කරගන්නේ මේ ගොඩනැගිල්ල තුල.
Water hyacinth, hay, and gliricidia, which contain high percentage of nitrogen, are used for production of compost.
ඒවා සතියෙන් සතියට පෙරලනවා මේ වගේ ෆයිල් ගහගෙන.
The decomposing material in the waste is then separated and used for the production of organic manure. The decomposing waste is dumped and left for 49 days. They added water to increase the bacterial decomposition of performance. Such fertilizer mixed again and again.
පෙරලගෙන තමයි දවස් 49ක් තුල පොහොර බවට පත් කරගන්නේ.
Once they are decomposed, then dried and decomposed manure is mixed and removed by the machines. It removes the remaining slug and separates the compost manure. Compost is released to the market packed in a bag of fertilizer. It also provides additional income. Water is polluted by mixing of chemical fertilizers and pesticides with water. There will reason that, especially for kidney disease, about 150,000 kidney patients are reported in Sri Lanka every year. In this situation, it is important to reduce the use of chemical fertilizers and switch to organic fertilizers. The government has banned on the import of chemical fertilizers. It is also encourage people to produce compost at home. Cultivated lands are fertilized using compost manner. This will enable us to maintain good health, reduce pollution, and reap economic benefits.